You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. It means a lot to me. We are in our 2026 Valentine's Day series. Now, I have been reflecting. I'll probably do that in more videos. And if you get a chance and you want to become a channel member, I'm going to do something a little bit different there. I'm actually grabbing stuff from the past, and then I'm kind of reflecting, taking it out of the box, and either disposing of it because I've just got too much stuff, and it's stuff that isn't necessarily collectible. Let me just see something here. I wanted to see how many Valentine's Day videos. You know what? I could just go to playlists. I gotta go to content, type, playlists, apply. And I gotta find Valentine's. Here's the problem. I think there's 400 playlists. I don't think I can just search playlists. Let's just see. Valentine's. No. I'd have to look another way. There's got to be hundreds and hundreds of videos. Look at this. This goes way back. My phone is yellow. Now let's see, my first Valentine's Day video. This is all Valentine's. Okay, that's it. There's no year down here. Well, this one's 13 years ago. Valentine's Day Holiday Candy Series. What is this one? Oh, that's the playlist. There's 185 videos in the Valentine's collection. I said hundreds and hundreds. Well, it will be at the end of this year. It will be probably 200 or close to it. Either way, I am looking at this. Amos, 4D, 3D Delicious, Bursting Hearts. Not something you want. But you've got the Amos in the top, with the Amos in white, with the smiley, and then a nice pink bag, and you've got little hearts in a couple spots. And it says 4D in a blue circle, and then like a banner, 3D plus delicious. Bursting Hearts in the middle with a purple border, white lettering. And then you see some gushy hearts down here. And then there's also, just looks like two flavors, strawberry and cherry. So there's little happy cherries, and a very happy strawberry sitting atop his bursting heart. I don't know much about Amos. They are using FD&C red 40 dye. Of course, pectin, gelatin, glycerol. Best if used by, there's no date. Amos Craft Play Online game for free. And then the bottom half of the bag is a darker purple. They do look good in the bag. You can see them kind of squishing on the bag. Can you see it? It's almost like a squishy toy. You know those squishy toys where you can squeeze and you can see through it? That's what that is. Let me get a little tray here. Let us put this on a tray. I'm going to open this from the back like I always do. It's a tough bag to cut. Why did I open it from the back like this? Well, one, I'll tape it closed. Two, if I don't get a good thumbnail from the actual video, and then I got to come back and photograph the bag. There's quite a few here. I'm going to max out this tray, but let's do it anyway. Ooh, they're very glossy and squishy. No stray ones. It's hard to disseminate the colors, but I see it. There's this color and this color. Let me just grab another one of these small trays. Okay. I have been sorting and dissecting candy for a very long time. What's my first video that I dissected in? Someone. Gotta go back. Start with, I guess, just regular candy. And see, so there is about an equal balance, and you could see what's in there. that's a little tiny, gushy looking stuff. Let's just make an incision. And let's just open it up and see. It's nothing really where I would say it's going to gush out. Very little in there. This one has maybe a little more. We need to see this through the light. Let's check these out through the light. All right, let me just start by turning off the side lights. I found my small light box. Oh, it's too bright. Let me turn down the camera. Let me zoom in so you can see inside the heart. These will be harder to see, but you could see it in there. It's very small. Let me try this flavor. This one looks like the strawberry. I get zero burst. No bursting. I was hoping to have an overwhelming effect, but you really don't. This one's bigger. That's the biggest innard so far. This is easier to see on these. Ooh, that might be even bigger. Look at that. Maybe we get gushing with this. Here we go. Let's see. Any gushing? No bursting, no gushing. The flavor is good. Not overly sweet. All right, let me turn these lights back on. I'm going to do a quick lighting adjustment. Let me pull the camera back. Let me turn this back up. So overall, I would say taste-wise, very good. Sweetness, not overly powering. It's a very soft chew, but you get no burst. You don't even know. It just feels like you're chewing a regular old gummy. And that's it. And let's hear all your nostalgic stories about Lucky Penny Shop. I'd like to hear them. I try to comment back to as many as possible. Even on very old videos, I get it in my system and I can check them and, thank you in the comment section. And thank you now for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.